Don't let the Ford Explorer slip under your radar. It's about to receive one heck of a mid-cycle refresh. We're pretty excited about a few of the updates that will fix crucial issues. Keep watching this video to find out what to expect with the new and spicier 2024 Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer has been carrying families around the US since 1990. As the years progressed, the Explorer remained true to its roots, offering ample amounts of interior space and comfort for those long family road trips. Even though this 6th-gen model came out in 2019, it's already starting to show its age, especially when you consider more premium and luxurious options coming to the market, with the latest rivals being the Kia Telluride, Hyundai Palisade, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This may be about to change. China has received an updated Ford Explorer earlier than the rest of the world. While we can't confirm the exact design elements, powertrains, or features that'll make it to the US model, the Chinese version sure gives a good idea of what Ford could bring to the refreshed Explorer. The new vehicle is much more luxurious and it looks more futuristic. The exterior design of the Explorer has been perceived well, and so Ford is heavily updating it rather than completely reimagining it. Up front, we now get a light bar design that seems to be famous amongst many manufacturers. The Chinese version offers a two-tone color design, which will be a great addition to the US market. Not many SUVs offer the option for a different colored roof, and people seem to get such paint combinations done in the aftermarket. The dynamic exterior features sculpted lines, a distinctive front grille, and available LED lighting, making a powerful statement on the road. The Explorer's sleek and aerodynamic profile turns heads and contributes to improved fuel efficiency and performance. In the rear, the taillight design remains similar to the old one, with some additional pieces that make it look more modern. New plastic trim pieces and a different exhaust shape finished the SUV's tail end and made it look more premium. The fact that Ford will probably offer this from the factory will certainly attract buyers. Ford has not yet revealed any information about the new Ford Explorer, but the 2024 Ford Explorer will likely come with the same engine powertrain as its current 2023 model Explorer. According to its current Explorer, engine and powertrain details are given below. As we've known that the Ford Explorer comes in 8 trims, most of the base models, like Base, XLT, and ST line, come with a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that's capable to generate the power of 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds, which is good for 7-seater long SUVs. Its limited hybrid and platinum hybrid come with a 3.3-liter V6 engine that's capable of generating the power of 318 horsepower and 322 pound-feet of torque, and it also accelerates from 0 to 60 in just 7.7 seconds. As well as its ST and Platinum trims come with a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that generates the power of 365 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, and it can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 5.3 seconds. All the Ford Explorer trims come with a 10-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive, according to trims and models. And it is the same in the 2023 new Ford Explorer lineup. We expect pricing for the new Explorer to be the same or slightly more expensive as the current one. The new model will most likely offer the same engines, as they offer adequate power. Some changes might be made to the hybrid engine model, as its fuel economy numbers aren't adequate for a hybrid system. The 2024 Ford Explorer is receiving notable interior improvements. A horizontal unit is replacing the vertical infotainment system. The current system is dated with tons of blank space. Also, the Explorer could get an updated digital gauge cluster with enhanced resolution and more capabilities. We wouldn't be surprised by a new heads-up display, 360-degree camera system, or a stronger wireless phone charging pad either. The new Explorer could feature more soft-touch covered surfaces and premium leather upholstery. Premium upscale materials could replace the cheap plastics in the interior. The 2024 Ford Explorer is expected to come out by the end of the year, so we could learn more soon. Stay tuned for the latest Ford updates. Spy shots of the upcoming US model show a different setup. On the dashboard of the new Explorer, you'll find a gigantic 27-inch display that makes its way from the driver to the passenger. But the massive screen would certainly make it one of the very biggest in the segment. It's mounted horizontally and will take care of most of the vehicle functions. One of the coolest things is the fact that maps are displayed along the whole screen, which makes it extremely easy to pinpoint your location or follow directions. One of the ways Explorer can redeem itself and take over the market is with its great infotainment system. Keep in mind that a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster can also be found in front of the driver, while a heads-up display is also available. Of course, more than a new infotainment screen is needed to put the Explorer at the top of its game. The new model should also offer other useful amenities like wireless charging, electric seats with memory functions, a panoramic sunroof, electronically folding second and third row seats, and even autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is currently available in China, but will probably come to the US as well in the form of Blue Cruise. It's quite safe to say that Ford is getting serious with the new Explorer, with significant updates in most flawed areas. Therefore, we can expect some hands-free highway cruising. It's worth mentioning that the Chinese vehicle is sometimes seen with rear captain's chairs, which suggests that the second row might be configurable. This should leave us with a much more competitive SUV. Ford offers the 2023 Explorer with a 10.1-inch display on the higher trims. If Ford issues a mid-cycle refresh for 2024, we anticipate it will offer the Mustang Mach-E's 15.5-inch system for those range-topping variants. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will no doubt be standard, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot capability and Bluetooth connectivity. Safety ratings shouldn't change for 2024, and that's a good thing for Explorer. Ford's 3-row SUV earned a 2022 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award, as well as a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. More good news? Ford makes some of its Co-Pilot 360 driver's assists standard. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and park assist are optional extras. Automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams are included on all 2023 models. And Ford may expand the standard equipment for 2024. The 2024 Ford Explorer embodies the spirit of adventure, combining powerful performance, advanced technology, versatility, and enhanced safety features. Prepare to unleash your adventurous spirit as you navigate both city streets and off-road trails with confidence and style. The 2024 Ford Explorer is poised to elevate your driving experience and unlock a world of possibilities. The 2024 Ford Explorer is a great car to take with you on a family trip or when you want to try something new in nature. Get ready to try new things and enjoy the freedom of exploring. The 2024 Ford Explorer is a fantastic choice for people looking for an adventurous ride. However, it's not the only option on the market. So click the video on your screen now to learn more about the Ford Explorer's rival, the RAV4.